Hello Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Python for Beginners series. I'm Indranil Tembuna. Today we are diving into fascinating world of data structures, especially list, tuples, and dictionaries. Before we dive into these powerful data structures, let's recap what we have learned so far. We've learned about fundamental concept of Python, learn about variables and data types. We have learned about conditional statement and also we learn about loops, especially for loop, while loop, and also we learn about modular coding and functions. We have written many examples on these topics that we talk about. Let's go to today's lesson. Data structures. Data structures are like containers for your data. They help you organize, store, and manipulate information efficiently. Think of them as superheroes of data management in Python. There are three main types that we're gonna learn today. The first one is list. These are dynamic arrays that can hold multiple items. You can add, remove, and modify elements of the list as needed. In the given example, you can see a list named fruits and have list items apple, banana, and cherry. Using append function, you can add a new item to the list. We'll explore these things when we are doing our practical session. The second type is tuples. Tuples are similar to list but immutable, means you can't change their content once you created them. Here in this example, we create a tuples called dimension and within bracket we give its item 10, 20 and 30. So you can see the difference from list and tuples. The difference is list use square brackets but tuples use brackets. And the other difference is once you define tuples, you can't do modification. You can't remove, you can't add, or you can't change any content in that array. The third one is dictionaries. Dictionaries are collection of key value pairs, allowing you to associate data with unique identifiers. In this example, we have defined a dictionary named student and it has name and value, key value pairs. First key is name and the value is Alice. The second key is age and value is 22. The third key is major and the value is computer science. So you can extract any of these key value pairs on a data dictionary, providing the key with the dictionary name. So here it prints student's name. You give the dictionary name student, within a square bracket you give the key name, the name of the key. Here its name, it will print the name Alice because the corresponding value for the key name is Alice. Let's put these data structures into action. Open your favorite IDE And let's create few examples to understand better about the data structures. We'll create a new file. We'll give a name, data structures.py. We'll write our first data structure type, which is list. We'll define a list, fruits, and give few elements within fruits: apple, banana, grapes. Here first we'll print our list. Fruits, then we'll add another item into fruits list. So we use fruits dot append and name of the fruit orange, and we'll print that one also. Print this is the list after appending value. Let's run this and see what it does. So for the first print, it prints apple, banana, grapes, and once we append the orange, it prints apple, banana, grapes, and orange. So you can see we can append new elements or new items to a list. Let's try if we can remove one from a list. So use fruits dot remove apple. Then we'll print this is the list content after removing element. Right. We'll run this again. Now you can see the first one, our original list contained apple, banana, grapes. Then on the second part we add or we append a new value, orange, and on the third one we remove apple from the list, so it only prints banana, grapes, and orange. Good. Now let's explore more about data structures and try to define a tuples. Here we give a name, dimensions equal. Remember, list you need to define within square bracket, tuples you need to define it inside a bracket. So 10, 20, 30. Now we'll print the dimensions are right. Let's run this program. So apart from the list that we've created, now you can see the dimension tuples and its value. We'll get one of these value and see print the value of the first element is, so we give the name of the tuples, then within square bracket we give the position. We'll run this and you can see it gets the number 10, that is the 0th position of our dimension tuples. Right, now let's define a dictionary. Student, now we define a dictionary named student, and dictionary we define within a curly bracket, and I already mentioned it has key value pair, name, Sam, and every key value pair separated by a comma, age 45, measure computer science. Okay, now we define our dictionary. We try to access its elements. Print name of the student is student, within square bracket we give the key name, and we'll print the age also. Print age of the student is student age. Let's print and see. Now here you can see name of the student is Sam, age of the student is 45. So we define a dictionary and we access elements inside the dictionary using the key, right? Now in these examples we explored how to use and manipulate data using these various data structures. These data structures are incredibly useful for organizing and working with data in Python programming. From managing list of items to creating structured data sets. Congratulations on mastering lists, tuples, and data structures in Python. In next lesson, we'll explore file handling and input and output operations in Python. It allows you to read and write data from files. Another very important skills in Python programming. I hope you have learned something new today. Please subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I uploaded a video like this. Thank you for watching my video. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.